皆さん、こんにちは。Yuki here. In this video, I'm going to talk about らしい。らしい actually has two meanings, and this video covers the first meaning, which is I heard that, it seems that. We also learned soda and yoda are used in similar ways. We will cover the differences between them in another video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Alright, let's start learning about how to use らしい. Alright, so the formation of らしい. You can have verb, adjective, non-adjective, noun, plus らしい. And that means I heard that. So let's look at example sentences and learn how to use らしい. First example sentence. 明日は雨らしいよ。明日は雨らしいよ。I heard that tomorrow will be rainy. 明日 tomorrow 雨 rain or rainy. So 雨 is a noun and you can just add らしい right after it. And よ is like telling a new information to the listener. 明日は雨らしいよ。I heard that tomorrow will be rainy. Next example sentence. 彼女は今、とても忙しいらしいよ。彼女は今、とても忙しいらしいよ。I heard that she is very busy right now. Right, 彼女は she 今 right now とても very 忙しい busy らしい that means I heard that. Right, よ at the end also does it's the kind of new information to the listener. Right, 彼女は今とても忙しいらしいよ。I heard that she's very busy right now. Next example sentence. どうやらここには誰も人がいないらしい。So どうやら that means somehow or objectively thinking. So the whole sentence means it seems that no one is here. Alright, どうやらここには誰も人がいないらしい。どうやら means objectively thinking. ここ here. ここには you know here. 誰も no one. 人がいない。You know person doesn't exist. Right, らしい。It seems like. So the whole sentence means it seems that no one is here. Next example sentence. どうやら彼らは付き合っているらしい。どうやら彼らは付き合っているらしい。It seems that they're dating. Right, どうやら彼らは you know, they 付き合っている。That means dating. らしい。I heard. It seems. So the sentence means it seems that they're dating. So you can conjugate the words before らしい。So for example, 行くらしい。I heard that someone is going. 行かないらしい。I heard that it seems that they're not going. 行ったらしい。It seems that they went. 行かなかったらしい。It seems that they didn't go. Adjective 広いらしい。It seems it's wide or big, spacious. 広くないらしい。It seems that it's not spacious. 広かったらしい。It seems that it was wide or spacious. 広くなかったらしい。It seems that it was not spacious. Right, な adjective. 元気らしい。It seems that they're doing well. 元気ではないらしい。It seems that they're not doing well. 元気だったらしい。It seems that they were doing well. 元気ではなかったらしい。Seems that they were not doing well. Alright, lastly, noun. ご飯らしい。 It seems that it's a meal or it's a rice. ご飯ではないらしい。Seems that it's not a meal. ご飯だったらしい。Seems that it was a meal. ご飯ではなかったらしい。Seems that it was not a meal. Right, so let's look at more example sentences that includes some kind of conjugation. 昨日、北海道では雪が降ったようだ。昨日、北海道では雪が降ったようだ。I heard that it snowed in Hokkaido yesterday. So Hokkaido is a prefecture that exists north of the main island. It's an island and the prefecture itself. 昨日、yesterday, 北海道では、in 北海道、雪が降った。It snowed. ようだ。It seems. I heard. Right, I heard that it snowed in Hokkaido yesterday. Next example sentence. これは美味しそうだが、食べ物ではないらしい。これは美味しそうだが、食べ物ではないらしい。This looks delicious, but it seems that it is not real food. そう、これは美味しそうだ。This looks delicious. いうのか、but 食べ物ではない。No, it's not a real food. It's not food. らしい、I heard. Next example sentence. 彼女は今日は元気ではないらしい。彼女は今日は元気ではないらしい。That means, it seems that she's not doing well today. 彼女は今日は you know today, talking about today, 元気ではない not doing well らしい。It seems, I heard. 彼女は今日は元気ではないらしい。It seems that she's not doing well today. Next example sentence. 彼女はたった今家に帰ったらしい。彼女はたった今家に帰ったらしい。It seems that she got home just now. Right, so 彼女はたった今 just now 家に帰った got home らしい。It seems. Right, next example sentence. 今、外はとても寒いらしい。今、外はとても寒いらしい。It seems that it's very cold outside now. 今、now, 外 that means outside. とても寒い very cold らしい。It seems, I heard. So she's inside, but she's already cold. So she's assuming that it's, it must be cold outside. Let's look at the next example sentence. Oh, actually, let's look at real life example. I got this tweet from Twitter, and this person says, 彼女は動物が好きらしい。Well, before that, the person says, ある日、孤児を拾った。One day, this person picked up a lost child. Not really lost child, but a child that doesn't have family. ね、彼女は動物が好きらしい。彼女は動物が好きらしい。That means it seems that she likes animals. Yeah, from the picture, she likes animals, but in a different way as food. But 彼女は動物が好き likes animals らしい it seems. Alright, so today's quiz. Translate these sentences into Japanese using らしい. This anime seems to be very popular in foreign countries. Number 2, it seems that he came to Japan last year. Number 3, it seems that he's a famous athlete. Number 4, it seems that she's good at singing. I'll put the answers in the description. That's all for today. And in the next video, we will cover the second meaning of らしい。I hope you learned something new or enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Alright, thank you for watching until the end and I hope to see you in the next one. またね。